All right. Good morning. It's Monday, January 13th, 2025, and gold is having a hard time breaking through 2700. Although it does look like on this 1 minute chart here, you can see that we're actually stacking up, in my opinion, for a bullish breakout. Already began to get it on the 10-second side. Let's go ahead and I can't see my screen. Let's go ahead and jump into the economic calendar. Today we have consumer inflation expectations coming up at 8, and then just treasury auctions. So all pretty low importance stuff today. Tomorrow, though, we have PPI data. So tomorrow's going to be kind of a bigger day for reports. So that's what we got going on today. Now we're trading in. So this is that 50K account that we almost burned on one trade last week. Trail max at 88. So we're going to look for an opportunity here to maybe bring it up to like 200. Gonna go long right here.
Order filled.
Alright. I'm just looking to make a couple of bucks on this. 4 ticks, 1 contract. Stopped at 3 ticks at the moment. So that hit our sell order. Oh no, it didn't. 1 tick below.
Order filled.
There's the sell there. Get switched over to our other 50K account. We go a little higher contract size, and let's take a look at this 1 minute here. I do think we're going to keep popping up. We've got the TTM right there. We've got 9 breaking above the 200 moving average, so that looks good. I think we have room to 2698 right here at the VWAP. I'd be skittish a little bit right there. I'm looking for this actual crossover here that'll really confirm the move. Currently, gold is down $24 today. I haven't taken a look at the S&P. S&P is also down at 5800s. Also looks like a breakout forming on the S&P. S&P showing down $30 for the day, but it is getting above VWAP. It does have a really nice looking breakout here. Or breakout potential, I should say. It is above the volume weighted average price, so it actually looks pretty decent. TTM sitting at 9.0, no 5200 cross yet, but does look like an op here on the ES to go long. There was a nice bounce off that moving average there, that 9 moving average. That really was actually that was a $7 move right there. It's crazy to me that it moves that much. It actually doesn't look like it just because it's happening so fast now. There's 4250. I want to trade it, but like the movement looks great, but because the movement is so volatile and the range is so huge these days, it makes me less inclined to want to trade the S&P still. And you guys have heard me mention that before. I'm going to zoom out on this 1 minute side here. See how long this has been stacking up. Okay, it's had a couple of rejections. Let's take a look at 5 minute side. Jump to 3 minutes. So on the 5 minute, it looked like it was rejecting the 50 moving average right there. Yeah. So 5 minute breakout on gold would be really like kind of the ideal. GTM sitting at 2.0. After this 5 minute candle, we'll see if we get a pop up, because we may get a 5 minute 5200, or not 5200, sorry, 91226 cross on the 5 minute side. And that would look pretty decent. Might give us another run and another test of that 50 moving average there. So what happened with the S&P? Drop down from that $5. Gosh, S&P's movement is just insane these days. There's a downward cross and the TTM to go with it. It's only on the 10-second side though, so it'll probably reverse pretty quickly and then head back up. We're now watching this gold move though. So that gave us a pullback to 88, and now we're getting a push back up to test 90. There's 7 o'clock. Big pullback on gold right at 7. Gold's kind of riding right along that 200 moving average. the 1 minute side here, we're about $2 away from that cross. Try to go long here off that
Order
pullback.
filled.
We're in long. Bit more pullback than I wanted to see. I was trying to see it pull down to the 9 EMA. Back at break even. It's a yellow TTM. I'm just looking for a pull up towards 91. Still sitting at break even on this trade. Pretty heavy pullback right there. You don't need to see a 10-second cyan switch for this trade to work. Neck is kind of stiff, man. Our entry is 90.3. I'm gonna get out at 90.7. And check this 1 minute again here. A minute TTM's kind of cooling. Gosh, this software's slow, man. I'm gonna probably cut this right here. I was actually gonna cut it back here. Spike there. Spike back up to our break even. Dang near 90.2. Our interest was just too high on this one. We didn't wait enough for the pullback. Break even again. 90.3 is like the like my entry is like the resistance. Wow. 90.2 is like the best. But it's it. Yeah, there's been too much resistance at 90.
Order filled.
Got out at 90. Oh, there's the spike. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Really? Really? We just had to take that L? What was that about? It was waiting on my contracts. Ridiculous. Hella ridiculous. I can't believe that spiked like that. Really? Man. Couple milliseconds. This is nuts. It just, I don't know. I cut it because it was just like, it's way too long. Should have already broken out by now. Oh well. Work to make it back. We only lost $100. Not a big deal. Still whack though. There's 92. I can't believe that did that, man. I feel miffed. I was like, I knew this trade was right. What the heck? Getting real close to that 5,200. TTM is sitting flat. This is this resistance level right here. As seen right there.
Order filled.
Grabbing that pullback there, down to 91. Just looking for a bounce up just towards this 90 MA.
Order filled.
All right, that's 150 back in the pocket. So we're break even on the day, up $1.68. Sorry, 120, not 150. All right, I want to assess this 1 minute side real fast here. You got this 5,200 cross. They are 40 cents apart. It's super close. And TTM sitting flat, which means TTM's got momentum or the option for momentum to be able to push heavily. The resistance zone is going to be this 92 and 97 up here at the view app. So I'll be looking for that 5,200 cross right there. And we'll be looking to ride this up towards the volume weighted average price. So being 40 cents away. $0.50 away. Now 40 cents. But we'll see if this actually plays out. My clock ran out of batteries, the one on my wall that's on the other side of this camera. And so it's just perpetually telling me that it's 7:30. I'm like, that doesn't seem right. But that's the main clock I use to look at. I don't really look at this little side clock here. It's all I'm doing these days. Oh, wow, I was all the way up at 77. Not seeing it reflecting on the gas prices just yet. But oil is not always a direct translation on gas pricing. Sometimes the gas prices stay the same while your electricity bill or something goes up. right, checking back in this 1 minute here. Still 0.4 away, but the 200 moving average has come down. 50 came with it though. Also downward cross right here. So not interested in going long just yet. New candle. Now we're 0.3 away. Where's our 2TM? There we go. 2TM sitting at negative 0.7 on the 1 minute. You have a downward cross right there. And we're now 0.3 away. No time frame on that though. We look for a 9, 12, 26 cross here on the 10-second side. And that can give us an indication of the 1 minute crossover. Also that cyan switch that's on its way as well. Going along.
Order filled.
In at 90. We're going to get out at 91. Well, 90.8 rather. There's the 9, 12, 26 cross right there. A lot of sellers sitting at 90.5. If that gets absorbed, well, we should push up pretty nicely.
Order filled.
All right, we got that. That was a full 7. So that puts this account up to 10, or rather that trade was 210 for the day. After fees comes out to 197 plus the $1.68. You know, I was hoping to break above 200 because technically that's what Elite Trader Funding considers to be a winning trade. This trade here, that one that I lost on, man, I was so miffed on that. So it's like, for real, like that was actually a really solid trade, but it just you know, floundered around a whole bunch for a good long time. 1 minute is now in crossover territory. 0.1 is the difference. And this has the opportunity to test 92.5. Sitting at 90.8, that was our last exit. TTM's as negative 0.1. There's the actual crossover right now. So we'll have to wait until this candle closes since it crossed on this current candle. So once this candle closes, then we'll have, you know, a better information of whether or not we're going to end up with a rejection. Also, a 1 minute 9, 12, 26 crossover would really help grease the wheels for upward move. It's not currently there yet. So that candle closed. We do have the cross. Now that's up 0.2. So we can start thinking about a position here. That actually would have been a decent trade on its own. Tried to buy that little pullback, but didn't actually fill. This right here, this pullback would have been nice. I looked at it and I hesitated on it. A lot of dojis getting put in here. There's that 92. We get a 1 minute pullback. I'd like to see a 1 minute pullback to like 91.5. I'll put a standing order here at 91.5 actually. And then I'm going to check this where this is at here. That looks about right. I'm going to cancel that. And yeah, that's what I want to see is that.
Order filled.
In at 91.6. Guess I should have kept 91.5 on. Trying to get out at 92. There's 91.8. Yeah, try to change my order to 91.8. Damn. Come on. Damn, so it ended up rejecting at that level. Pulled way back. I had a feeling I should have walked too. Fat rejection. Now we're sitting down 600. I had a feeling I should have walked too at my positive 197. With too much faith in algorithms and strategies. Is this trade salvageable? That's the question going through my head right now. I think that it's looking like a no. We got to cut that trade.
Order
That was
filled.
like an $800 loss. So, and I was feeling it too, man. I was like, I feel like I should walk, but them's the breaks. You overtrade, you overtrade. You know what I mean? Yeah, no worries. Thanks for popping on. All right, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and pop off too. Actually, unfortunately, overtraded by that one single trade. Very, very slight intuition that said walk away, but it was very minimal. Um, so I was trying to hit over that $200 just because that's like kind of the minimum to be able to make withdrawals. So I'm trying to have it be the minimum for trading. So, all right, y'all. Peace.